Hey, this is Chantel at WTI. I've been really bad about getting gym memberships and then being too embarrassed to go. So I really love these adjustable PowerBlock dumbbells so that I can work out at home. I love how easy these dumbbells are to use. You just simply slide the bar over to open and use the weight adjusting pin to select your dumbbell weight and then slide the bar back over to close. It's really that simple. I love how comfortable these weights are. They are padded and fit comfortably in my hands without causing any blisters. Being able to work out in the comfort of my home makes me very happy. These weights go up to 90 pounds, which I don't think I'll ever be able to accomplish, but it's nice that I can keep working my way up. My husband is really good about doing research before making big purchases, so a lot of time went into choosing the right fit. We have been really happy with our purchase, but that's just our point of view.